Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am taking a class 7 science class. Today our topic is chapter 2. Let's start our class. Our chapter name is Cellular Organization of Plants and Animals. This is chapter 2 in your book, and this class is our first class of annual term. Our first topic is description of a plant cell. Body of all organisms is composed of one or more cells. A typical plant cell comprises of two parts, cell wall and protoplasm. Cell wall. In plant cell, there is a hard and thick non-living wall which is called cell wall. It is composed of cellulose. Animal cells do not have this wall. It is covered with a thin membrane called plasma membrane. That means in animal cell there is a plasma membrane, no cell wall there. The main function of cell wall is to protect the living parts of the cell and delimiting the boundary of the cell. Now protoplasm. Protoplasm is semi-solid, jelly-like sticky and granular living substance. Signs of life are emerged due to various reactions within the protoplasm. It is composed of various organic and inorganic substances. The water constitutes the 67 to 90% of the protoplasm. Protoplasm contains cytoplasm and nucleus, the two main parts of cell. Cytoplasm. Jelly-like substances outside the nucleus is named as cytoplasm. Living structures inside cytoplasm that take part in various physiological activities of the cell are called cytoplasmic organelles. Dear student, you can see here is two types of cell. This is plant cell and this is animal cell. We can see here is some organelles inside this cell, like this is cytoplasm, cytoplasmic matrix, and this one plasma membrane. This one is nucleus, and here are other parts of this nucleus, and here is a animal cell. You can see here is a cell wall in plant cell, and in animal cell there is no cell wall, and here is a cell vacuole, but in animal cell there is no cell vacuole. In a typical cell, normally the following organelles are found. 1 number plastid, 2 number mitochondria, 3 Golgi body, 4 endoplasmic reticulum, 5 ribosome, 6 lysosome and centriole. Cell vacuole. Cellular living organelles and non-living substances are present in the cytoplasm. In plant cells, non-living substances include various reserves, food, excreted and secreted substances. In cytoplasm, there are large and small vacuoles full of liquid substances. In cytoplasm, there are large and small vacuoles full of liquid substances, that means cell sac. These are called cell vacuoles. Usually animal cell do not have cell vacuoles, but in certain cells, when vacuoles are present, they are very small in size. In plant cell, large number of vacuoles are present and their sizes are comparatively large. Different organic acid, salts, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. are present in soluble form in the vacuoles and make up cell sap. Next is introduction of cell organelles. Small living structures covered with definite membranes present in cytoplasm are the cell organelles. Short discussion of these structures are given below. First one is plastid, round or elliptical organelles with or without pigments present in living cells are the plastid. Normally animal cells do not have plastid. So, this is the special characteristics of plants. Plastid remain in plant cell. These organelle is unique characteristics of plant cell. The primary functions of plastids are synthesis of food, pigmentation and storage of food. Depending on the presence and absence of pigments, plastids are of two types. One number chromoplastid or colored plastids. Two number leucoplastids or colorless plastids. You can see here is a picture. This is plastid. Next is plastid has three parts such as covering membrane, grana and stroma. Chloroplasts are present in green parts and contain chlorophyll pigments. Its main function is to help photosynthetic processes. Chromoplast produces various colors in flower petals and fruits. During ripening of green fruits, chloroplasts are converted to chromoplast and produce variations of color in the fruits. In chromoplast, yellow, orange and red color pigments are present. Leucoplasts are present in plant parts where light cannot reach, such as plastids of root cells. Leucoplasts, when exposed to sunlight, converts to chloroplast. Then mitochondria, small rod-like organelles dispersed in cytoplasm of plant and animal cells are the mitochondria. Every mitochondrion is surrounded by two layers of membranes. Outer layer is smooth, but the inner one is folded inward like fingers. You can see this picture. You can see outer layer is smooth, but the inner one is folded inward like finger. These are called cristae. Mitochondrion is the source of all energy used in metabolic activities in an organism. So, it is called powerhouse of the cell. Next is Golgi body. These are round or thread-like organelles covered by membranes and lies near the nucleus. Next one is centriole. Near the nucleus of an animal cell, there are two tube-like organelles called centriole. Centriole is usually covered by non-granular transparent cytoplasm. This part is called centrosome. Next is nucleus. This is very important part of a cell. Densest part of protoplasm covered by membrane is the nucleus. every nucleus consists of 4 parts, namely nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nuclear reticulum and nucleoplasm. Parts of nucleus: nuclear membrane, the double layered membrane which surrounds the nucleus is the nuclear membrane. This membrane is extensively porous. That means here is a pore. Look at this picture. This is nuclear membrane, and between two membrane we can see here is a pore. This is nuclear pore. These pores are called nuclear pores. Nucleoplasm, jelly-like, granular and transparent semi-solid matter covered by the membrane is the nucleoplasm or karyolemph. Nucleolus, inside the nucleus there is a small, round, bright and comparatively dense structure, the nucleolus. You can see this picture, here is a nucleolus. Normally, one nucleolus is present in a nucleus. Last point is nuclear reticulum or chromatin fiber. Intertwined thread-like structure floating in nucleoplasm is called nuclear reticulum or chromatin fibers. So, dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.